Ah. Hey guys, it is Wednesday, September 1st. Today we are doing legs again. Because like you guys saw in the previous video, I did not do legs Monday because I was just busy with school. So we are doing legs today. Today is more glute activation, more glute focus than Monday's workouts that are legs. Those are more quad dominant workouts. And then Friday, for Friday's leg workouts, they are actually hamstring dominant, hamstring focus workouts. And right now I'm drinking a cold brew coffee from my favorite little coffee mom and pop shop around here by where I live. It doesn't beat Starbucks, but it's really good. I have not tried their coffee, so I'm trying it right now. This is, if you guys are interested, it's actually a cold brew. It's a cold brew, sugar-free vanilla and hazelnut. Sugar-free hazelnut. They have sugar-free hazelnut. Not a lot of places have sugar-free hazelnut and almond milk. It's good. I would probably just not do the sugar-free vanilla because vanilla taste is very strong, the sugar-free one, and I'm not a big fan of sweet. Either way, I really love sugar-free hazelnut, and as you guys know, I really don't like to drink any sugars. The only exception sugar drinks that I would have if I want to give myself a little treat is the Starbucks chai tea latte, and I would get a grande, if not a venti, but like a venti. It's very rare that I get it because it's very I don't know how to say it in English, but it's bien empalagoso. So I get the chai tea latte iced with the pumpkin cold foam, and that's only the fall type drink. If I go to Starbucks, I'll probably just do like the green tea latte, but with 1 or 2 scoops of matcha powder, because the matcha powder there has sugar. So I like to just bring the dosage of the matcha that lower there. If not, you know what, I'm gonna show you guys in this video my recipe for a sugar-free alternative matcha green tea latte, and I'm gonna film that like right now because I'm gonna drink one after I drink this cold brew. But I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. If you guys are interested in having like a low carb, no sugar kind of diet like I am, that I'm doing. I have not been doing the keto right. I am actually starting keto today again. You know, I started yesterday, but my hubby saw that I was having a bad day, so he took me to go get, I actually was gonna go get carne asada fries, but the place was closed, so we got Del Taco. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Del Taco's little dollar taco smack, so I had like 3 of those, but you know, it is what it is. You pull through the next day. So, you know, I try to keep it mainly more low carb than eating a lot of carbs throughout the days. But yeah, I'll show you guys right now how I make that green tea latte. So I didn't know my mic was not recording, and here I was just gonna show you guys how I made the drink. So I fill up my cup with a lot of ice, and I use the pure chimp matcha. You can find that on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. I always measure 4 ounces of water, and I use 2 teaspoons of matcha, or tablespoons. I don't know what it is. The TBS, 1 TBS. I use 2 of those. And I use the almond milk, but you could use any preference of milk that you would like with your drink. I just personally use almond milk because I am allergic to dairy, and I am dairy free, or at least I try to be dairy free. And yeah, that's all I say. But I prefer, instead of the Kirkland brand almond milk, I prefer the Silk brand. Tastes a little bit better in my opinion. Now I'm just gonna be like ranting or whatever. I hope you guys have a really good day. My mic was off, so you guys didn't hear the last part. I'll just do a voiceover over that one. We're gonna get 4 ounces of water in here. I always do my matcha with 4 ounces of water. You could do more if you want, but I always do 4 ounces. Okay, I did 4.5 ounces because I went over. And I use Truvia, okay. I prefer the monk fruit sweetener over stevia, but this will do. I use 2 packets of, I'm like shaky because I need to eat. So I'm gonna have lunch right now with this drink. I have a lot of caffeine in me. We're gonna grab this little, I use one of, this is what, 1 tablespoon? 1 tablespoon, teaspoon, this is a teaspoon. I use 2 teaspoons, okay, you guys, 2 teaspoons. You could add more matcha if you want, but I always add 2 because I like feel that 2 teaspoons is great. And honestly, I'm already like, I feel like I already need, that's how much I've used up. So with matcha, you really don't need to use a lot, but I am a matcha horse, so I use a lot. I love the taste of it. What happened? Why isn't it working? Because it's wet, that's why. Oh my god, don't tell me. Work. No. Okay, I'm gonna have to grab a spoon for this. Hopefully. A fork. I'm gonna use a fork because my frother doesn't work, and honestly I feel like the fork will whisk all the clumps off. So you can see, grab all this from there and just go like this towards it, and so my goal with the matcha is to always get it to this color, and honestly make it look like super greens, and then I just pour it over this, and you see here it's the perfect amount for my cup. I will do a taste test, but my camera's gonna die, so we're gonna do it quickly. Perfect every time.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you're Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw you.
Is it focused? I cannot see for the life of me. I feel blind. Anyways, good morning, you guys. It's Friday, September 3rd. My hair looks ugly. I'm gonna put it up in a bun because it did not come out as I expected. I thought what great way to show you guys how my body looks is to do it like the beginning of the week on Monday and then on Friday to see how it looks like before I eat anything. Also, my back pain went completely away, and knock on wood that it stays away. But here is how the body looks as of today. And then my husband says that I have these gym shorts in the light gray color, and he says that they are see-through, and like he could see my ass crack in them. But it's like, I'm like, it's okay because I wear them just for a little bit, and then like, I take them off. I'm like, plus I don't even wear them when I'm doing lower body. I more wear them when I'm doing upper body for that same reason, because I know that they're see-through. And I don't like, I feel like right now that I'm doing this, I feel my biceps. They were not this hard like a couple weeks back. But like I tell him, I'm like, either way, it doesn't really, I'm like, I like to be commando when I wear my workout clothes, and sometimes when I wear leggings when I'm here throughout the house, because I like to let it breathe. I prefer being commando than wearing underwear, unless I am wearing jeans, but everybody's different. Less infections down there. I don't really get infections down there, only when it's about to be the time of the month, but that's because of the birth control. But other besides that, I really don't get any infections. But yeah, that helps you with a lot of yeast infections if you get a lot of yeast infections, because you're letting your coochie breathe. But yeah, this is not what my video is about. But see you guys later. It's gonna be legs. It's gonna be hamstring focus. So I'm excited to see how it goes today. Okay, I'm only doing like this, like a single leg deadlift right now, because I'm too lazy to go get my other 15-pound weight. So you're gonna see me do it. So I pick this leg up, back. We're gonna do 15 of these. Okay, 4 reps of 15. So you want to, like, I don't know if you can see through the mirror, this one, just put it like this, push it back, and just focus like this.
Saw your face in the moon. promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep.
That's not what I see. Okay, guys. So, like always, I forget to film a damn outro, but I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, I'm feeling myself with this hair, but like always, I love this guide. Like, I freaking love it. Like, it makes me feel like really, really good. And like I said, once you start out, always take it slow and work at your pace and build up so you will avoid injuries. Okay, the last thing we want is an injury. But like I said, I really like this guide. I love the pump and the feeling it gives me when I work out. So I do I can't wait to see like how my body changes in 4 weeks. I'm kind of scared because in 2 weeks from now I have to go get my wisdom teeth, the bottom, no, the bottom ones I got the top ones removed. So I need to see how that's gonna go, if I'm gonna be able to work out. But I want to try the pineapple trick that I saw on TikTok, where you drink 64 ounces of pineapple juice and you are good to go the next day after you get your teeth removed. So we're gonna see. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I could work out like for the final week. But like always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to turn on your post notifications to get notified every time I upload a new video. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video.